Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to upgrade the look and the performance of our headlights here. I finally got my hands on Morimoto headlights. I got them used. I can't afford a brand new one. The last time I worked on my car, it was not this warm. It's like 15 degrees out here. It's really cold out today. It's like 20 degrees right now. I like working on my cars during the winter. Let's change this up, and I may also change my fog light as well. I also got a good deal on it from the same guy. He has a Baja fog lights. So these are the 4Runner Live fog lights. So I might change that as well. We'll see how it goes. I did take out my front bump already one time. So I think I know what I'm doing a little bit better. Plus it's not too cold this time. I'll just yank it off. There we go. Okay.
Oh, that broke.
Let's get started. All the clips are out. This cover board can come out now. Yep, it pops right up. Just like that. Should come out just like that. Sweet. Another bolt here. The hella comes right out like that. Okay, that's disconnected. Hopefully, I don't need to put this back on again, like last time. So we ran into a little bit problem. It seems like the connector doesn't match up. I'm really bummed out because it's really cold out here, and I don't want to really do this all over again. But I have no other options but to just put the old one back in. It doesn't match up. This is the used Morimoto headlights. I am super excited about this. Before I do anything else, let me put the harness, the adapter, all this stuff on first. Let's see if it connects correctly. I'm just gonna set it like that for now, because you'll be the first one to see this. How does that look? I can't see it yet. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I am so happy. I finally got it to work. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Well, okay. Let's not get too far ahead of our way, but we'll put this back together, put the housing, put the brackets, everything up, the fog light as well, and then we'll go to the next one. I forgot to press record, but I'm just putting back the bolts. I guess put the screw back in there. All right, one is all done. Let's keep going. What time is it right now? It's already 6:14. Okay, I think the next one will be a little bit faster because I think I know what I'm doing. Disconnect. And then I need to get the bracket off from here. All the brackets off. All right, perfect. Okay. Bang. Ha. Wait, how come this one, the DRL, doesn't come on? What is going on? There we go. It was not connected properly. Well. We got it up. I'm so happy about this. I want to install the Baja Design fog lights. I bought this used as well from the same guy that had it on his 4Runner, and these are for Toyotas, so I know that it will work. So I think I'm gonna try to install this as well while I already have this open up, right? Might as well. So let's do it. All right, let's get this fog lights out. The Baja fog lights and the 4Runner lifestyle fog lights. I don't know how different they will be, but we'll find out. Okay. All right. Disconnect. Okay. Here goes Baja Design fog lights. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go see the comparison then. What do you think? Which one looks better or brighter? They look exactly the same color and everything, right? I can't really tell. Plus, I looked at it, I stared into it, and I'm blind. Yeah, so I don't know. I can't tell you which one is better. I really can't tell. So which one is better? Comment below. Why is my camera so crooked? So we're gonna do the same thing. Just pop it off here a little bit. Can I access it from the bottom? No, I think I have to take out the whole thing here. Okay. The whole panel need to come out. Okay, this one's gonna give me a little bit more difficult. This one wants to be more difficult. Well, my DJI died, so I have to use my phone now. Let's go turn it on. Let's see how they look. They're both now Baja Design fog lights. All right, let's see here. Whoa, look at that. Wow, that looks crappy, but as soon as I pull it up, it will look a lot better. All right, let's lift that up. Oh wait, actually, in New York State, you have to have a license plate up here, and I haven't had my license on there for 6 months now. Oh, no, 5 months. Yep. So I'm gonna put the cover up there and also the license plate mount, and then I'll put license up there too. So I'm gonna do that first. Okay. So this is for the front bumper here. That's gonna front bumper cover. Gonna go right on there. You don't have to do this part. Actually, let me pull this up first. So it'll go just like this. I think I may have to take it off.
One final test before we put everything back together again. Works!
Lining everything back up together. From the bottom and then down. Just like that. Just like this. Done. Yeah, the next step will be to put all the bolts back up. One final test to make sure everything works perfectly. Look at that ugly license plates back in the front. I hate this license plate.
Wow. Yeah, very...
Very good looking. You probably know already, but please subscribe.
I think Ghost is complete. Just need the front bumper.
So, one more thing. My next video will be installing the front bumper with a winch. Kelly Reyes, if you're watching this, please send me one for free. I'll be really grateful. That looks hot. I'm so happy.
Time for road trip. A long road trip.